Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I've got this Pavoni here, so I did a loose base repair on this machine, so that just means I took off the gasket here, the boiler gasket top and bottom, and then there's another gasket around the heating element, which I replaced too. Put everything back together, and then I did a tune-up. So that just means I replaced all the gaskets throughout the entire machine. And the sight glass, here's the old one. I had to break it a little bit to take it off, as well as the glass here. I had to break it a little bit to get it off. And here's some of the old gaskets. This was just inside the group head. Along with this one. There's also a gasket on the cap here, which I replaced. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm just going to do a quick test to show you that the machine is working. Let me show you the steam first. See the steam, and I'll pull a shot. So how long do you think it would be? This is just our test coffee, so it's not perfectly calibrated to the machine.
Sure.
But it looks like we still have a pretty nice shot of espresso. Alright. There we go. And that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.